3D printing at home sounds awesome until you start looking at your options. There are so many models, features, and price points that it's easy to end up with the wrong machine. And nobody wants to waste money on a printer that's hard to set up, gives messy results, or breaks down after a few uses. That's why we've put together this guide to the 6 best 3D printers for home use right now. Whether you're a total beginner or looking to upgrade, we'll cover real-life usability, setup ease, and which one fits your needs best. Number 1 might surprise even long-time users, and number 3 is lightning fast. Links and pricing are in the description. Number 6. Prusa Mini Plus. The Prusa Mini Plus is compact, smart, and one of the most trusted names among home 3D printing enthusiasts. It's especially popular with people who want steady, reliable results without diving into the deep end of industrial machines. Sitting at a mid-range price, it gives you a lot of what matters, without the extra bulk or confusion. The build volume of 180 by 180 by 180 millimeters is a perfect fit for everyday home projects like model parts, phone stands, tool mounts, or small home repairs. One of the key features is the Super Pinda Auto Mesh Bed Leveling, which means your first layer almost always comes out right, especially useful if you're new and don't want to mess around with adjustments. It supports a wide range of materials including PLA, PETG, ABS, and even flexible filaments, so you're not limited when it comes to experimenting or building more durable parts. The modular design and removable spring steel bed make it easy to upgrade parts or remove your prints without tools or frustration. You also get flexible connectivity. USB for basic use, Ethernet for a more stable setup, and optional Wi-Fi if you prefer wireless control. It's a very open-source friendly machine, and the community around it is strong, meaning help and upgrades are always a click away. Now, it's not perfect. It doesn't come with an enclosure, which can be a limitation if you plan on printing ABS often. It's also not the fastest printer on the market, but for most home users, that's not a deal breaker. The Prusa Mini Plus is perfect for beginners ready to dive in and for upgraders who want consistency without headaches. If you're after faster prints and an enclosed design for trickier materials, number 5 might be exactly what you're looking for. Number 5. Elegoo Centauri Carbon. If you want something tough, fast, and ready to handle serious prints, the Elegoo Centauri Carbon should be on your radar. Built like a tank, this fully enclosed printer uses Core XY motion for better speed and precision, making it one of Elegoo's most capable home use machines. With a generous 256 by 256 by 256 millimeter build volume, it's great for bigger projects, like cosplay helmets, RC car parts, or functional designs that need strength and accuracy. The Core XY kinematics allow it to move quickly and precisely, reaching speeds up to 500 millimeters per second, while still keeping your corners sharp and your prints clean. What really sets it apart is the fully enclosed steel frame, complete with air filtration. This helps keep heat consistent inside the chamber and filters out odors and particles, especially important if you're printing ABS or carbon fiber blends at home. It's safer, cleaner, and delivers better print quality for those tougher materials. Setup is smoother thanks to auto bed leveling and a magnetic PE build plate, which makes removing prints almost effortless. You also get flexible connectivity options, including USB, LAN, and Wi-Fi, so it fits into your workflow no matter how you like to print. The only real downsides, it's a bit large and heavy compared to other home units, so it's not great if you're working in a cramped area or plan to move it often. The Centauri Carbon is perfect for intermediate users who want stable, fast performance and the ability to print more advanced materials without jumping into pro pricing. If you're after something a bit sleeker and more connected, especially with app control, number 4 might be more your style. Number 4. AnkerMake M5C. The AnkerMake M5C brings the same smart, user-friendly approach that Anker is known for in its other tech products. It's compact, cleanly designed, and built for speed, making it an ideal pick for anyone who wants quality prints without getting too hands-on with the technical stuff. With a 220 by 220 by 250 millimeter build volume, it covers most household and hobbyist projects, from organizing tools to making custom phone mounts or display stands. It prints fast, too, up to 500 millimeters per second, while the direct drive system helps maintain detail and material control, especially when working with filaments like TPU or PETG. One of its standout features is the app-based control. There's no built-in screen, but everything is managed through the AnkerMake app, which is clean and responsive. For users who are already comfortable managing smart devices from their phone, it feels natural and saves space on the printer itself. The 7x7 auto bed leveling grid ensures a level print surface, and the PEI-coated magnetic bed means prints come off easily once cooled. Setup takes minutes, and you can start printing without diving deep into menus or manual adjustments. Connectivity is also well thought out. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C options, it's easy to get your files to the printer in whatever way fits your setup best. It also runs quietly, which is a plus if you're sharing space. As for downsides, the lack of a physical screen might not work for everyone, and it's not the best choice if you plan to mod or upgrade the machine heavily. The M5C is perfect for busy users who want reliable, hassle-free printing with modern convenience. If you're after speed and flexibility in both design and materials, number 3 raises the bar even higher. Number 3. FlashForge Adventurer 5M. If you're looking for speed and flexibility in one package, the FlashForge Adventurer 5M delivers both without the premium price tag. It's a Core XI machine, which means it's built for fast, precise movement, ideal for home users who want pro-level features without getting overwhelmed. With a top speed of 600 millimeters per second, it's one of the fastest printers in its class. That kind of speed is perfect for anyone who needs to crank out multiple prints quickly, whether you're prototyping or just impatient for your next model to finish. And thanks to its fully automatic bed leveling, you don't have to fiddle with knobs or run test prints just to get started. It handles that for you. Its enclosed design paired with a built-in HEPA filter makes it safe and odor-controlled, especially helpful if you're working with carbon fiber filaments or other materials that produce fumes. You also get swappable nozzles, so switching between flexible, high-strength, or everyday filaments takes just a few seconds. This kind of adaptability is rare at this price point. For connectivity, you got all the options: USB, Wi-Fi, and LAN. That makes it easy to send jobs from wherever you're working, whether that's your desktop, laptop, or even from across the room. On the downside, it is bulkier than open-frame printers and weighs a bit more. And while the included software is solid, it may take a few sessions to get comfortable if you're coming from something like Cura or Prusa Slicer. The Adventurer 5M is perfect for tinkerers, modders, or anyone who wants fast results with the freedom to grow. But if you're just starting out and want something reliable, affordable, and super easy to use, number 2 might be exactly what you need. Number 2. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE is one of the best starting points in home 3D printing, especially if you're looking for something affordable, dependable, and beginner-friendly. It builds on the popularity of earlier Ender models with some much-needed upgrades that make printing smoother and easier from the start. With a 220 by 220 by 250 millimeter build volume, it's sized just right for most common prints, like phone stands, brackets, toys, or household fixes. The CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling System is a big deal here. It takes the guesswork out of bed adjustments so you can avoid the frustration of prints not sticking or warping due to uneven surfaces. Another welcome upgrade is the Direct Drive Extruder, which gives you better control when printing with flexible materials like TPU or PETG. That opens up more creative and practical projects even if you're just getting started. It also runs quietly thanks to silent stepper motors, which means you can place it in your home office or workspace without being annoyed by constant mechanical noise. The control screen is simple, and combined with SD and USB connectivity, it's easy to get your files loaded and printing with very little prep. On the downside, the open frame design does make it more vulnerable to temperature swings or drafts, which can affect some filaments. And while it's user-friendly, getting the absolute best results may take a little fine-tuning. The Ender 3 V3 SE is perfect for first-timers who want solid performance on a budget, or for anyone who wants to upgrade an older printer without spending too much. And if you're looking for something even smarter with quiet operation, faster speeds, and top-tier automation, number 1 brings all of that in a surprisingly compact frame. Number 1. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is compact, polished, and built to impress. Despite its small size, it's packed with smart features that make 3D printing feel effortless, even if you've never touched a printer before. This is the kind of machine that feels right at home on any desk or workshop bench without demanding constant attention. With a print speed of 500 millimeters per second and acceleration up to 10,000 millimeters per second squared, this printer moves fast, but not at the cost of print quality. Details stay sharp and layers come out clean. One standout feature is its lighter-assisted auto bed leveling. Instead of relying on manual tweaks or rough calibrations, the A1 Mini uses sensors to get your first layer dialed in perfectly every single time. It also stays impressively quiet thanks to its enclosed Hoten design. You can run it during work calls or while the family's sleeping, and it won't draw unwanted attention. For those wanting more creativity, it supports multicolored printing through Bambu's AMS Light add-on. Great for school projects, cosplay props, or colorful art prints. The built-in camera and full-color touchscreen make it even easier to monitor prints remotely or make changes on the fly. It's simple, responsive, and takes the guesswork out of 3D printing. Now it's not perfect. Its build volume is smaller than some others, and the multicolor option requires an extra purchase. But for most home users, especially those looking for hassle-free operation, that trade-off is worth it. The A1 Mini is perfect for smart home fans, families, and anyone who wants clean, consistent prints with minimal setup. Now that we've covered all 6, let's close things out with a quick recap and help you find your best fit. Thanks for sticking around. Picking the right 3D printer isn't easy, and hopefully this helped narrow things down. If you found it useful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future guides like this. Got your eye on one of these printers, or maybe you already own one? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear what you're printing. You'll find product links and the latest prices down in the description. And if you're just getting started, stay tuned. We've got more videos coming on filaments, must-have accessories, and simple tips to get your first prints looking great. See you in the next one.